Welcome. Today I'm excited to showcase our new CMYK feature. First, let's take a look at a typical color palette in a workspace using only RGB colors. This has been the standard for digital projects, but it does not always translate perfectly to print. Now, when you switch to the CMYK mode, you'll notice the difference right away. You can easily input your brand's specific CMYK values for each color and adjust them as needed, making sure your printed materials always look exactly as you want. All users will be able to view and use these palettes. While editing is reserved for administrators, everyone will benefit from consistent colors. Whenever you download your design for print, the correct CMYK values are automatically applied. This ensures beautiful, cohesive prints across any printer. With the new CMYK feature, creating accurate brand-consistent print materials is easier than ever.